I'm at Eucalyptus Skate Park, and yo, I had no idea. This thing is amazing. I'm so excited, and I'm just a beginner. There is so much to do here. Look at these little camel humps. Perfect for me, because I was scared. Oh my God, there's another one. Oh my God, I could probably end up doing that one. You guys, this park is so amazing. It's like that little step has a shorter end and then a little bit bigger, which is what I actually needed to. I'm just so excited. Eucalyptus Skate Park, there's this whole other extra section that's just so amazing also. When I first pulled in, I thought this park was kind of lame. I thought it was just a bunch of piecemealed, like, little ramps and stuff that someone brought and put in at the very entrance. But the more you go in here, it's freaking amazing for beginners like me. And then they have a whole section of shaded area. So you could just mess around. This is like the best skate park I've been to. San Diego, Chula Vista, California.